Welcome all the students for the video lecture on point of sale devices. In my earlier lecture, I explained the basic concepts or the terms which are related with point of sale devices. While studying the various concepts of POS, in earlier lecture I explained what is mean by POS system, what is POS software. Then I elaborated the meaning of point of sale terminal. Now today in this lecture I am going to explain the advantages of point of sale system. The concept, while studying the concept of point of sale device, as we studied, the point of sale is the combination of hardware and software which is mostly used by the sellers or retailers in order to manage their activities of sales. It is the combination of some devices, combination of hardware means combination of visible equipments and a system or the application software that will be utilized for the smooth functioning of the sales activities at retail shops and other shops. Now in this particular lecture we are going to discuss about the advantages of point of sale system. The very first advantage I mentioned here is about stock management system. With the help of point of sales system, the seller or the retailer can manage his stock of goods. What is this stock management system is? With an example I will try to elaborate this for a particular point. Whenever we visit the medical shop, there we observe when we give the prescription to the medical shop owner, he checked the availability of the medicines in his system, means in the computer system. And if the medicine is available, then he immediately find out the medicine and give it to us. If the stock of the medicine is not available, then he says this particular medicine is not available, please come after 2-3 days. So what he does, that the particular system, that management of stock what they used to do, that is what the stock management system is. So with the help of point of sales terminal, point of sales devices, point of sale system, one can manage his stock, means what amount of commodities are available in that particular store. He can easily know from that particular system, that particular application of that particular device. He can find out how many commodities are available, what is the stock availability of that particular good. That is one of the advantage of this particular POS system. The second advantage of POS system is records and history of past transaction. Means one can keep the records, one can maintain the history of past transactions which have been performed by various customers. The same example we can explain here in order to elaborate this particular point. Sometimes when we go to the medical shop without prescription and we ask the particular shop owner to give some medicines. At the time he demands the prescription which is given by the doctor. But when the prescription is not with us, we used to give him some reference that on so and so date I purchased these particular medicines from your shop. Or we will say this is my mobile number, type my mobile number and search. This is the name of the patient, type the name of the patient and search for the medicine. Or we give him a reference that particular so and so doctor is given the prescription to me, so search by the name of that particular doctor. So immediately that shop owner search and he finds that whether you are the same customer who performed the transaction earlier. So in this way, that particular point of sale system or point of sale device, it keeps history and record of past transactions performed by the customers. So sometimes without doctor's prescription, we get some medicines, we can purchase some medicines from that particular medical shop because of our past history and the transactions which we performed earlier on that particular shop. So in this way, this point of sale system is helpful for the customers as well as for the owners or for the sellers. The third advantage is that it creates own purchase orders. It creates own purchase orders means when a stock of a particular commodity comes to an end, then automatically that particular system will place the order for new purchases. Means automatically that system generates the order for that particular commodity whose stock comes to an end. So this is the third advantage. Next advantage is user-friendly software. User-friendly software means the point of sale system, the software which is prepared for this system is different for different shops. For hotel it is different, for medical shop it is different, for kirana shops it is different, for grocery shops it is different. So different types of softwares have been designed for different purposes by different types of sellers. So they do prepare the software which is user friendly. User friendly means anybody can use that particular software in order to manage his sales, in order to manage his transactions of the shop. So therefore, the sales POS system is also user friendly. User friendly means anybody with a short span of timing can understand the functioning and use of that particular software. For example, when we purchase a new mobile phone or new mobile handset, then within a fraction of time or within a specific time period, easily automatically we understand various functions of that mobile. In the same way, when we use any of the software, we get acquainted with that software with a short span of time when we start using that particular software. Why? Because that is a user friendly software. Means anybody can understand the functioning and use of the software. In the same way, point of sale system is also user friendly software. The next advantage is secure method of payment. Secure method of payment means a customer can pay for his transaction very securely with the help of debit card and credit card. The customer can perform his transaction, customer can make a payment for his transactions very safely and secure with security. Means Point of sale terminal is a device through which the customer can pay easily and with a secure method. It is a secure method of payment. Therefore, it is one of the advantages of point of sales system. The next is save time of customers and the time of sellers as well. The customer, when purchases commodities, each and every commodity is having a sticker of barcode or some other type of code is written over that particular commodity, and with that particular system of barcoding, the point of sale device read all the barcodes and it prepares the bill without the help of calculator or without any manual entries. Automatically the machine reads the commodities which have been purchased by the customers, and within a fraction of minutes the devices will prepare the bill, the devices will calculate the bill, and the way it saves the time of the customer as well as the time of the sellers at the counter. So in this way, this is the another advantage we can say of POS system. The next advantage is convenient method of payment. With the help of point of sale terminal device, it is very convenient for the customer to make a payment, and it is very convenient for the seller to accept the payment. Instead of giving a hard cash, with the help of this point of sale terminals, the customer can pay with the help of his credit card and debit card very conveniently. Next advantage is not required to carry cash. Means it is not required to keep hard cash in our pocket while making or while purchasing goods from the shops. Without carrying the cash into our pockets, hard cash into our pockets, we can perform various transactions at various places because of the point of sale terminals and point of sale devices. Next advantage is accurate reports of transactions. The point of sale devices, it prepares very accurate reports for the transactions performed. It accurately point out the records. Very accurately the device calculate the bills. Very accurately the device also calculates uh, the discounts applicable for the purchase of certain goods. So accuracy is there in the machine while preparing bills, while doing any type of transactions. The next advantage is maintains customer information. As earlier I mentioned, how this point of sale device are applicable or helpful for maintaining the records of the customers. How it will be helpful to find out the past transactions. It maintains the information of the customer. Means the seller will keep the information as the name of the customer, type of the customer, mobile number of the customer, the types of goods purchased by the customer. So it will be helpful. This data of customer information will be helpful for the sellers to prepare some plannings or to give some discounts to their customers. So if the customer is a regular customer for that particular shop owner or the seller, so he can give certain types of discounts, certain types of offers to those customers. So therefore, it is very essential to maintain the information of the customers. These devices are very helpful to find out or to the types of customers, the demand category of the customers, and in this way this device is helpful for maintaining the information, various informations of the customers. And the last point is sale forecasting. Sale forecasting means with the help of information stored in the device, with the help of the data regarding the customer stored in the device, the shop owner or the seller can predict the future demand for various variety of goods and commodities. The seller or the shop owner can predict what sort of commodities are mostly demanded in their shops. So in this way, the forecasting of the sales can be calculated, can be find out with the help of this point of sale system. The prediction can be made with the help of this point of sale system. So in this way, these are the advantages of point of sales system. In my next lecture, I will explain the disadvantages of point of sales system. In this lecture, I will stop here. Thank you. Thank you very much.